He wasn't making six figures, not even close. Every month, after rent, groceries, fuel, and one overpriced coffee he swore he'd stop buying, there was barely anything left. So he did something strange. While everyone around him chased fast money, crypto spikes, meme stocks, luxury cars on EMI, he bought boring things instead. Index funds, a tiny emergency fund, and one skill that increased his income every year. At first, it looked ridiculous. His friends doubled their money in weeks. He celebrated saving his first $1,000. But low salaries create a hidden advantage nobody talks about. When you earn less, every financial habit becomes permanent faster. A person making $3,000 who learns to invest 20% early often builds stronger systems than someone earning $15,000 and spending all of it. Because wealth is rarely built from one giant decision, it's built from automation, repetition, and surviving long enough for compounding to finally become visible. That's the uncomfortable part. The smartest investment he made wasn't a stock. It was designing a life where he didn't need to look rich while becoming wealthy slowly. And in a world addicted to visible success, that strategy almost feels invisible. Until 20 years pass. Thanks for watching these videos. For more information, subscribe to this channel and press the icon so you can get notifications for the new videos.